Okay, so another one is, which one is this now? Hang on, what have I spotted there? Nah, nothing. This is air intake temperature or pressure. I think it's temperature. It's a temperature probe on the end of it. So it's air intake. So if you look up there, that's air intake temperature. I can actually undo it. It's probably going to be full of oil because I'm having trouble with this fan in a minute. Oh, she's not too bad. So that's that one there. I'm not sure which way it's supposed to go in, to be honest. Looks like any old way, but you never know. Probably goes in both ways. Yeah, it does. So that's air intake. So basically there's your intercooler up the front here, and that's your intake to the intake manifold, and it passes through there to go up into the intake manifold and the throttle body and all that. Okay,